All right, guys, so today is going to be a little bit more of a rough video, and I wanted to get this out ASAP because this is something that's super important. And, we do our best to really set proper expectations for clients. It's a two-way street communication, the do's and the don'ts, all that stuff. That's why I spend so much time making these videos so I can get the information out there to you guys so you know what to expect when you're starting your journey of buying a house and going through the home loan process. So, two big no-nos that you don't want to do, and I'm going to explain why they're a big job, or excuse me, why they're a big deal, and why it's going to make your job more difficult and our job more difficult. So, number one, do not go negative in your bank statements, guys. Especially the account that we're using where your down payment or your closing costs are coming from, you can't go negative in it. And we straight up got asked, why? Why does it matter? What's the big deal? We're trying to convince the underwriter, who's the judge, that you can handle your finances and you're not going to have any issues paying your bills, especially your mortgage, back to the lender. So when you go negative on an account, it shows financial mismanagement. It shows that you can't pay attention to where your money's coming in and where your money's going. Guys, there's so much awesome apps out there now. There's mint.com. That's what me and my family use. It literally takes like maybe a half an hour at the most to get it set up, monitor your money, know where your money's going. You can get alerts set up on your bank accounts that show, hey, you're getting kind of low. So when you go negative in your account, especially the account that it shows where your down payment or your closing costs are coming from, it's a big deal. We have to go and convince the underwriter that, hey, this was a mistake. Here's what happened. Here's why it's never going to happen again. So do not go negative on your accounts, guys. That's just a big, big deal. It's the same as having a 30-day late on your credit report is what it basically boils down to. Number two, if you are currently renting right now, pay your rent on time. Guys, a lot of times we have to get what's called verifications of rent, or VORs, on your past rental history. And if you just recently paid your rent late while we're trying to get you approved for a loan, again, that shows financial mismanagement and that you're just not paying attention. So the fear for an underwriter is, and remember guys, the underwriter is the one that protects the gold. Plain and simple. Their job is to protect the gold. And when we're building a case to show the judge that, hey, you should have some of this gold to buy your house, and you just recently pay your rent late, that's why we have to get a third-party verification. It just shows that you're not ready to go on this journey, guys. Guys, it's part of adulting, and it's not our job to go and stay the night with all of our clients and make sure they're behaving. So just keep that in mind, guys. These are the two biggest things you cannot do. And I know we've made other videos about it before, but do not go negative in your bank account, and please pay your rent or your current mortgage on time. Those are both things that can be completely detrimental to you getting approved on your loan. It could even end up being an automatic denial. So please keep that in mind. It's super important. It does matter. At the end of the day, we got to remember we're borrowing hundreds of thousands of dollars. Okay, guys? There's rules and regulations that we have to abide by. We're not picking on you. It's all rules that we have to follow. Nobody ever wants 2008, 2010 to happen again. So we have these rules, these laws and regulation that we have to do things a certain way to be able to get your loan approved and get to the finish line. Guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please give us a like and subscribe. Let us know more information you want to see out there, but I wanted to make this quick video and get it out there because this is super, super important. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.